Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a simple Greek salad. We'll start by gathering just a few fresh, vibrant ingredients that are readily available. This classic dish is incredibly quick to prepare, perfect for a weeknight meal or a last-minute gathering. You'll be amazed at how much flavor comes from such a straightforward recipe, requiring only about 15 minutes of your time. Now, let's get our vegetables ready. First, take 2 large, ripe tomatoes and 1 crisp cucumber, chopping them into nice, bite-sized pieces. Next, thinly slice about half of a red onion. This adds a lovely, subtle bite without being too overpowering. Place all these freshly cut vegetables into a large mixing bowl, ready for the next step. The dressing is what truly brings our Greek salad to life, and it's incredibly simple. In a small bowl, whisk together about 1/4 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil with 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Then, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, a pinch of salt, and some freshly ground black pepper. Mix it thoroughly until everything is well combined. For the grand finale, let's bring it all together. Add about 1 cup of delicious Kalamata olives and 4 ounces of crumbled feta cheese to your chopped vegetables. Now, pour that wonderful homemade dressing over everything. Gently toss the salad to ensure every piece is coated with that incredible flavor. Serve your fresh, vibrant Greek salad right away and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.